The Toronto Transit Commission, also known as the TTC, needed to upgrade its outdated intercom system, but addressing IDF closet requirements and recabling 75 subway stations would have been costly, disruptive, and time-consuming. The existing system used two-pair communication cables for analog emergency panic buttons that connected to ticket booths. The TTC needed a more robust and modern emergency communication solution. Using the FLEX24-10G switch from NVT Phybridge, the TTC deployed over 1,500 IP intercoms across its network by applying modern LAN principles introduced by Frost and Sullivan. With built-in power over Ethernet and up to 2,000 feet of reach, the FLEX24-10G switch delivered the power, performance, and connectivity needed to transform legacy two-pair cabling into a secure and reliable IP backbone. The TTC avoided months of disruption, drastically reduced project costs, and prevented over 9 tons of e-waste, in line with its green procurement policy. NVT Phybridge allowed us to reuse our existing infrastructure and accelerate our IP upgrade, said TTC Senior Engineer Norbert Koot. The TTC was able to allocate more of its budget to better solutions and capabilities. The IP solutions deployed are not just intercoms. They're part of a comprehensive emergency system. Installed in designated waiting areas and at station entrances, they integrate with overhead cameras, emergency buttons, and direct connections to TTC staff. Additional units were installed near elevators and other unstaffed zones, improving safety, accessibility, and response coverage system-wide. According to project manager Jeff Thurston, the new solution improves communication flexibility and customer response times. With NVT Phybridge, the TTC turned legacy infrastructure into a modern safety network and set a new standard for transit innovation. Are you planning a digital transformation project? Let's work together to replicate this success. Book a meeting with us today or join our webinar to learn more about our special offers.